What's good, YouTube family? This your boy Aristotle Investments. I'm back with another episode of Stock Sundays, and you know how we rock. Before I give you guys all of my research and free plays, you know the drill. All I ask from you guys is to leave a like and a comment. That's all I ask. Now let's give you guys exactly what you deserve, which is these stock plays and these gems. I ain't gonna waste y'all time. I know y'all time is valuable. All right. So next week, we don't really got anything going on, but we do have CPI. Yes, we do. Wednesday, CPI, all right? So you guys know what that is. That's Consumer Price Index. That is when America talks about the inflation data, pretty much, the numbers. So whatever news that will affect the market. Wednesday will be a big day. So what does that mean? That means Tuesday, you want to kind of go light, and then Monday is an open range. Everything except Tuesday and Wednesday. Monday, Thursday, Friday is open range for day trading. But Tuesday, investors may be weary, so don't try to swing into CPI if you don't want to. But we're going to talk about some stocks that I do like because there are some great setups. So first of all, let's go look at Bitcoin. All right. All right, so we're on the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily chart. And we are at 94K. All right, my average price is 77K. I'm almost at seven figures, but you can say I'm right at seven figures. Around 900K worth of BTC. All right. And if we drop down, that's when I'll probably be at an M. If we come down, I don't think we're coming down that far, but if we come down to about 85,000, that's a great entry point. And let me explain why, because that is roughly a 20% fall from the highs. All right. So that's what we want, 21%. I always tell people 20%, I'm going to definitely get in. Then, of course, 30%, and that would be roughly about right here at the 75,000 mark. So 85,000, 75,000 are the marks that we want to hit. And then every 10% down, you want to invest yourself some Bitcoin. You want to go a nice size every 20% down or 10% down. All right. So that's one thing. Now let's go to SPY. All right, now what do we see? We still have this gap to fill. I had to erase all my lines because, you know, it is what it is. We almost had this head and shoulders play, and now we got kind of this support line right here. All right, you see that? Bounce, 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 bounce. So if we break this, you know, especially tomorrow, it's definitely coming around this area. All right. So I'm definitely watching for a break of support tomorrow. But without further ado, let's get into all my stock plays that I like. So first of all, you guys already see this. This is Boeing. Bull flag pattern. So I'm definitely watching this break above 175, okay? So I'm going to post the alert inside of my chat, of course, but I already told them about this one in the charts. But you guys already know what to do. You guys know, tap in to Honey Drip Network. All right, you guys see the stats right here. You see the stats went crazy. All right, I consistently do this. So if you're ready to tap in, folks. But and then we could talk about these gains as well. All right, folks, before I give you guys my other picks, you guys know what it is. Come get some. She made 11.6 thousand already this year. She's definitely going to be set. Now, as far as Boeing, we have a bull flag pattern. I know I spelled that wrong, but let's get it. You know, Google will autocorrect. And we have this pattern, but this one is kind of like a pennant pattern. Kind of like a triangle, you know, But you guys get it. Flag pattern, pennant pattern, whatever you want to call it. That's what this is. So a break above 175 is kind of where I'm aiming towards, but it may be sooner. I go to the 4-hour chart for my breaks. So really about 174 now. A break above 174 is definitely our entry point. And we can mark that right here. All right, that's going to be our reflection point. Break above 174. Sometimes I go to the 4-hour chart just to really see my accurate breaks. Now, next one I like is AMT, right? AMT. So I want it right here at the 171 mark, if it can get there, which it should. You see this? I love that it has a previous touch of support right here. So AMT. Another thing I like is oversold on the RSI, lots of bullish divergence too on the 4-hour chart. So this one looks like it's ready to blow. Remember, I call waste management. So, and guess what, folks? I didn't even go heavy in waste management, but I should have. So I like that. We go to the daily chart. Similar, almost just yep. Bullish divergence a little bit on the daily chart. So I like AMT, American Towers, and then last but not least, Datadog. For what do we have, folks? Break and retest. So what is a break and retest? We can go right here. There we have it, folks. We have a resistance line, a break of resistance, and then a retest, and that's where we buy. So I want Datadog above 140.85, okay? So Datadog above 140.85, and there you have it. Those are my 3, folks, okay? And that's pretty much it. You know, I don't really have anything much. I have one more that I really like, but I've been looking at it, and this is this one. Cool. Bullish divergence. It's on one of these supports, you feel me? I marked this one pink. 1, 2, 3. Bullish divergence. Could go. So I'm liking cool. Making a lower low. So we really got 4. I blessed you guys with 4. And then what do they say? That's all, folks. As Porky the Pig would say. Well, yeah, I like cool, BA, AMT, Datadog, all right? And I gave you guys the exact entries I like. Cool, I would say above, I mean, really I like the entry already, but above 91.8 for cool. That would be my favorite. So you guys know what it is. Make sure you tap in, make sure you invest in yourself. The quicker you learn how to trade, the more money you'll make. All right, folks, the quicker you start investing, the more money you'll make. Make sure you check out the investing calculator so you guys can calculate your future. And if you're ready to kickstart your future and you're ready to start making money, make sure you tap in, link in the description. I'll post a link also in the comments. All right, folks, God bless you guys. I'll see you guys next week. This was short and easy. You got 4 of the best plays this week. Nobody does it better. It's your boy Aristotle Investments. I'm out. Stock Sundays.